Creato, make creative easier. How to make 3D form a very cool one for skyscrapers, twisted towers or bridges without any plugins in Sketchup. So in this video, students gonna learn how to turn your simple 2D pattern into a sophisticated 3D form. Let's go.
And I push 9,000. Okay, let it snap to the adjacent, the neighboring shapes. Now I select all these pieces. See, I can rotate it or not. Yes, I can rotate like 30 degree in this case. Okay, so we got this 30 degree. So what if I copy this again? These items again to the top. Okay, I hit N, I up arrow key, copy it to the 60, 90 degree, okay, or 60, as long as it fits, okay. So one more, from this to another level. Okay, rotate again. So you can see, it's like a shape, it's like twisting already. So you can copy this module, like I can multiple select them. And hit Q. Okay, so you got this monster tower, like twisted tower, like done by who? Frank Gehry, is it? Okay, or Zaha Hadid. Very modern style of twisted tower. Okay, so practice this. From here, we can achieve this. Okay, what else we can do using square shape? Okay, let's explore using this. Okay, once more time, similar method I will use. Firstly, I drag height first. Let's say any height. Let's say I give a 3,000. Okay, then so we can rotate the first one first. Okay, when my mouse cursor is close to this line, it will tell me, it will snap to the midpoint of it. Okay. You don't need to measure by yourself. So let's say for this, only select the upper faces. Okay, I'm just using very basic tools that we have learned just now. Selecting faces, move the line, move the edges like this. Okay, so I twisted this to, let's say, you must remember the angle. Let's say if you go for 30 degree, and not too much, or 50 degree also can. Let's say 30. I think 45 will be easier because we need to repeat one time. 45 is like too much. 30 lah, 30. And then actually I can erase the upper part already to make it clean. So this model, I can this group, I have to copy this group and paste it on top of here, then rotate it. Actually, we can use M to rotate, so 30 degrees, we know. And then again, duplicate this to another levels. I hit M again to rotate it 30 degree again. So remember, rotate, we have two methods, either hitting R or hitting M. M is rotate group only like this. Okay, so now we have actually we know that it's keep repeating, so I can copy this entire thing from the bottom to the top. Yep. And then times 3. Okay, not yet. again from the bottom to the top. Okay, this can either become a tower, or if you do it like horizontally, where I group the entire things. Oops, I misgrouped some things. Okay, so now what if we have mispressed or misgrouped something into the unnecessary group? Let's say for this one, you can see these petals, these flower petals, this shuriken has entered this wrong group. So what I can do is, we go inside this group. Okay, most of the students, they will exclude whole things and group it together. This is a traditional method, but we have a more advanced method for you. So what you can do is enter into this group, and not really advanced, but it's more, you can say it's a smarter choice. Go into this group, select these things that you want to exclude them, Control X means cut, Control X, then escape from this group. Now you are in this group editing mode. So escape from this group editing mode. Then at outside here, okay, this is not group, this is outside already. Just hit Control Shift and V. So Control V we know is paste, but paste you will follow your mouse cursor. So you cannot paste, you can paste at the exact place. So what you can press is Control V together with Shift, Control Shift V, which is paste in place. So it's same goes to here, paste in place.
So it's time to help yourself to become a creative and leading designer. If you are very interested in a friendly and effective learning experience, pick up your phone and WhatsApp us now to join our upcoming intake before the registration deadline. See you in our training.